Hey guys, it is shipment day. I am so excited to show you what is in these boxes, and some of it I have not seen as of yet, so we're gonna experience this together. But yeah, so excited. So hang on, I gotta get some scissors. Okay, got my scissors. Now I'm gonna attempt to get this box in this chair. Right side up. Not your feet. Use your back, guys. No, use your knees. Use your knees when you're lifting heavy stuff. Don't use your back and don't use your feet. Well, obviously you use your feet, but yeah. Anyway, let's just open it. Okay. Oh, hey, I like the wheelie chair. I can just like turn this baby around. Look at that. Oh, the paper. Oh, boxes and boxes. Okay. Let's start with this one. Let's start with this one. Might have somebody coming in the store, so I gotta watch for that too. I swear you have to be like a bodybuilder or something to get into these. I'm so excited. It's a giant meatball. Meatball. It's a giant meatball. Let's open it. Right? I don't even want to open any of the other ones. I just want to open the meatball. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's spaghetti noodles. They kind of look like cheese, but they kind of look like noodles. Okay, open theirs here in a second. Oh wow, guys. This is fantastic. Can you tell how excited I am right now? Okay, let's let it go back to its shape. Let's kind of like mold it. Because, you know, meatballs kind of have a little bit of a texture to it, right? Right, okay. Okay. Why is everything so hard to get into? Especially really when you want in it really bad and then you can't get in it. Okay. Day made, guys. Day made. We are on to the next box. So we have several boxes, and I'll probably just make several different segments of all of these because they're all equally fantastic. So I'm just gonna cut right into this one. We'll see what we've got. Are you as excited as me? Doubtful. It is a giant brain stress ball. Giant brain. I've seen this one before. It's pretty cool. But maybe you've not seen it before, so I'm going to show you. So, what's really cool about this, guys, is when you squish it, it's all like you would expect. Ew. But anyway, what do you guys think? My brain's probably not that big. Maybe yours is. So fun. Box number 3 coming at ya. I wish you guys would guess in the comments what the next box is gonna be. So like, we've seen a meatball, we've seen a brain. What's this one gonna be? Your guess is as good as mine. I actually do need the scissors because I'm just not as strong as this like industrial tape. Oh, this one's fun. I've seen this one too, but you guys maybe are gonna see it for the first time. Okay, we have the giant molecule madness stress ball. Giant molecule Madness stress ball. That's like a tongue twister. Like, say that fast, like 3 times. 3 times. Say it fast 3 times and send me the video. If you do it perfect, I was gonna say I'd send you a giant stress ball, but there might be more than like a few of you that can actually do that and say it perfect. So sorry, I can't send you any, but I'll give you a shout out. Okay, here it is, guys. There's a fly. Get out of here, fly. Trying to play with my molecules.